Is Zelle turning you into your own bank? Let's untangle sending money to yourself. Ever find yourself needing to transfer cash between your own accounts? Maybe it's that rainy day fund tucked away at a different bank, or that high-yield savings account you just opened. Whatever the reason, moving money around can feel like a hassle. Banks can take days, and sometimes even charge fees. So, what about Zelle? That super convenient, lightning-fast way to send money to friends? Can you use it to send money to yourself across different banks? This is where things get interesting. Hold on, why wouldn't Zelle work for my own accounts? That's a great question. Zelle is designed for peer-to-peer transactions, meaning it's built for sending money between people, not to yourself, even if you have multiple amazing personalities. There are security reasons behind this. Zelle wants to make sure the money is going to a legitimate person, and using it to transfer funds within your own control could potentially be a red flag. But wait, there's more. While Zelle might not be the answer, there are a few other options you can consider, depending on your situation. 1. The classic bank transfer. This is the tried and true method. Most banks allow you to initiate transfers between your accounts online or through their mobile app. It's usually free, but it can take a few business days for the money to show up in the other account. Not exactly ideal if you need the cash in a hurry. 2. External account linking. Some banks allow you to link your accounts from other institutions. This lets you see all your accounts in one place and sometimes even initiate transfers directly. Check with your bank to see if this feature is available. It can be a convenient way to manage your money, but be aware that transfer times and fees may vary. 3. ACH transfers. This is a more technical option, but it's worth mentioning. ACH, Automated Clearing House, transfers are electronic payments used for direct deposits and withdrawals. Some banks allow you to initiate ACH transfers between your own accounts. Again, check with your bank for details and fees, but this can be a good option for larger transfers. 4. Write yourself a check, old school alert. Believe it or not, checks are still a valid way to transfer money. It might seem slow, but it can be a good option if you don't have online banking access or prefer a physical record of the transaction. Just remember to factor in mailing time and potential hold periods at the receiving bank. So, the final verdict on Zelle for your own accounts? Not recommended. There are better options out there, depending on your needs. For speed, consider internal bank transfers through your mobile app. For larger transfers, explore ACH options. And if you're not in a rush and enjoy a bit of nostalgia, a good old-fashioned check might be just the ticket. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.